there, welcome to paulselection. If this is your first time, please make sure that you subscribe and follow good content like this. Well, today we have a special selection. I have just received a new perfume. Well, it's not new. It has been out for a while, but I just recently received. Well, this one is called Larmes du Desert from Atelier. Alright, so let's take a look at the presentation together. The box is black, obviously, and here you can see that the wrapping, but it has plastic wrap all around with the seal on the side. Alright, and well, let's take a look. Well, we will open from the top here. Oops, okay, well, we can do only once this kind of unboxing. Okay, and of course, well, the color is black, is kind of matte paper, and let's open up. Oh, by the way, the brand has the logo as a seahorse here. When you open up, you also have the inner box like this. Okay, wow. Let's put it here. Well, the name Larmes du Desert, it's translated to Tears of Desert. So it's gonna be something special. Well, here you can see the box with the seahorse in the front with the name of the brand Atelierdesors. Okay, which means the maker of gold, I guess. And well, here, wow, can you see this? It comes out like this, and let's take a look. Let's put it on the back here. Well, you can see here that it has gold. Ooh. The brand is called Atelierdesors, and the perfume is called Larmes du Desert. And of course, the brand has the idea to put 24 karat gold in every bottle. So when you spray, it's gonna bring you this. I'm not sure if you can see it on my skin, but let's try on my shirt. Alright, so let's take a look closely. Can you see that? Alright, so it has this gold shimmering that would stay on your skin for sure, but just be aware of this gold particle that might stick on your shirt. It would look, I would imagine that it looks nice if it's on the bare skin, let's say in a hot summer day, okay, that where you want to show off your skin a little bit if you go to the beach, that would be quite nice. So, when we talk about this perfume, the smell itself is woody, aromatic. For those who do not like floral or fruity notes, this would be excellent. Okay, and the smell is, like I said, is woody. It has amberish kind of feeling, and it's also refreshing in a way, because I would think that from the feeling that I have, it's not completely warm, so it gives you cooling sensation. It perfectly matches if you let's say go out in the sun in a hot summer day. It would fit, okay, because of the name Tears of Desert. I would imagine that this is a feeling that brings you cool and wet sensation, like you visit an oasis in the desert. Okay, so it brings you joy, it brings you happiness, and clearly, well, this is well, for me, this could be worn all year round. It's warm enough to be worn in the winter, but it also cools down in the summertime as well. Like I said, this is a perfect blend of the warming and cooling ingredients, so the feeling would be excellent. This is one of my favorite. So if you want to try something, do something new, something different, try it, and it's gorgeous.